What's up, YouTube world? This is Luxuries and Jewelry, back with another iced out watch. Fully iced out lab diamond, big face rolly. This is the Datejust 2. Fully iced out with custom channel set bezel. Bezel is micro PVD plated. Should last without tarnish for 5 to 8 years. Real channel set bezel, full case, full band. Everything's fully done on this watch. Even the clasp is done as it rotates around. See the craftsmanship on the clasp. We flooded everything on this watch. Let's get it to focus. Beautiful timepiece. Beautiful craftsmanship. Call us now to order this watch. 256-652-3898. It's Luxuries and Jewelry signing off.